3G Pentagon. The edifice of Genius Group Global is built on this five-pillared philosophy, which put together becomes the cause that we stand for. To help you understand this calling, I will explain to you how this mission got crafted. This journey started when our founder and chairman, Dr. Shahid Cholail, was hit with these two most difficult questions you can ever come across in your life. What is the purpose of your life? And can you control the factors that bring you into this world? No one can, because we are not born by our choice and there is nothing that we can do to alter it. But there is definitely a lot that we can do in our life absolutely by our own choice. And we can do it once we get the answer to the first question: what is the purpose of your life? Dr. Shahid Cholail crafted this five-pillared mission to define the purpose of his life, to fulfill his calling. A calling to touch the hearts of billions of people around this world, to add value to their lives, to transform this earth, making it a better place to live. A mission that made him form Genius Group Global, a mission that made him create, design and launch project after projects to fulfill his life's purpose. But how do we at Genius Group Global execute this mission, this purpose? To help you understand that, I will explain to you these five pillars one by one. Pillar number one, innovation. The significance of 21st century is innovation. Innovation in everything, be it education, business, finance, manufacturing, commerce, medicine, media, advertising and everything else, to such an extent that the mantra of 21st century dictates that the quantum of your success directly depends on the quantum of innovation you do, and vice versa. This is why startups became the face of 21st century's business segment. Silicon Valley is the best example. I'm talking about Bangalore, where our technology office is. The examples of Genius Group Global's innovative approaches and solutions are Project IoT, the first MOOC program for IoT in India, and the Project 3G, a mission with a cause to help in empowering lives by building a maximum technologically adaptive synaptic education ecosystem by using highly accurate artificial intelligence with big data analytics. This can be seen in every initiative taken by Genius Group Global, as well as in the DNA of Genius Group Global's management applications. Pillar number two, education. The greatest gift one can give to someone is quality education. This is one wealth no one can take away from you. By imparting education, we are not just serving the society, but the country and the entire world. Ultimate solution for any concern is education. It is the best solution to all problems in the world. And providing education is an incomparable, unmatchable, divine act. Education enlightens minds. To have educated, enlightened, competitive citizens is the first priority of every nation in this world. The biggest challenge is to achieve the paradigm shift from being exam-centric to becoming success-centric. We need to understand that education is not just about passing exams. It is a journey towards becoming a better human being, a capable individual, an enlightened citizen with a character made of strong value systems and competencies. We at Genius Group Global, through our projects, change lives of people by imparting education and helping them develop holistically. This mission with a cause is not just our goal, it is our calling. Education enlightens minds. Pillar number three, employment. Providing employment is a divine, humane and social act. We aspire to be known as the largest organization in the world, providing the best platform for specially abled individuals and elderly brainiacs. Employment forms the foundation of a nation's economy. It defines its success and its strength. By providing the right job to suit the qualifications, experience, skills, talents and desires of a person, we can uplift and bring out the best in them and can empower them to think innovatively. To become an individual with best emotional intelligence, knowledge and global perspective, and by providing a job, we are not only helping a person, but his entire family, the whole society, which ultimately increases the economic growth of a nation. And this is how we fulfill our mission with a cause, which is our calling. Pillar number four, entrepreneurs. We believe that unless an individual thinks and acts as an entrepreneur, success cannot be achieved. What I mean by this is two things. Number one, to think as an entrepreneur irrespective of what jobs we do, which means to take the onus of what we undertake and treat it as our own business to give the maximum to the cause that we are committed to. And the second perspective is to encourage individuals to become social edupreneurs who create opportunities for others to get educated and employed. We call this an E4E mission, education for employment. This is how we as an organization encourage individuals to contribute to the mission with a cause that now becomes your calling. To build not just your society, but also the entire world by making it a better place to live. Pillar number 5, technology. This is the era which is reigned by the superpowers of technology, in which day by day the number of technology natives are increasing while the number of technology migrants are decreasing. This is precisely why time has come for us to understand that we should never even think or plan or implement anything without the inclusion of technology. Genius Group Global embraces technology and advocates its use and application by conducting awareness and educational programs and seminars across the world through various IT and IoT ventures. This 5-pillared cause is the calling that I want to share with you today, to invite you to join us as one heart, one mind, one soul in the journey towards making this world a better place to live, by transforming lives of people and by making our existence on this earth matter for the right purpose right now.